So yesterday we have discussed about Gauss-Seidel method, and now we will be going through a numerical to clear the doubts. We have a 4-bus system. We have bus 1, bus 2, bus 3, bus 4. It is given this: bus 1, 2 is connected, 1, 3 is connected, 2, 3 is connected, 2, 4 is connected, and 3, 4 is connected. So this is your problem. We have a 4-bus system and it is directly given as the admittance of each of the line. For the buses, we have bus 1, bus 2, bus 3 and bus 4. So as we studied, we will identify one bus as slack bus, because at bus number 1, P and Q are not specified. We will take this as a slack bus. And remaining we have PQ, PQ and PQ as the given quantities. So these all will be considered as PQ buses. So this will be your bus number 1 will be your slack bus. 2, 3 and 4 will be your PQ bus. So at this we have to calculate what is voltage. So for voltage, it is always specified. Your step number 1 is give flat voltage profile except for slack bus, because at slack bus the voltage is already specified. So we will consider 1 plus J0, 1 plus J0 and 1 plus J0 at bus number 2, bus number 3 and bus number 4. So it will be V2, V3 and V4. This will be your V1. So initially we have considered all the voltages, and then step number 2 is calculate Y bus. So we can directly get the Y bus by 1, 1. All the impedance connected at bus 1. So it will be this plus this. So that means 3 minus J12. 1, 2 is impedance between 1, 2. Minus 2 plus J8. 1, 3 minus 1 plus J4. And 4 is 0. 2, 1 is also 2 plus J8. 2, 2 is all the impedance, this plus this plus this. So it will be coming out to be 3.66 minus J 14.66. This will be minus 0.66 plus J 2.66, and this will be minus 1 plus J4. Minus 1 plus J4 minus 0.66 plus J 2.66. Y33, all the impedance at bus number 3. So it will be coming out to be 3.66 minus J 14.66 and minus 2 plus J8.
Excuse me.
हाँ
सर कॉलेज कब खुल रहा है? ऑफलाइन?
अभी क्लास की बात करेंगे, अभी ये बात नहीं करेंगे।
नहीं सर, इसी की बात होगी। किस लिए नहीं करेंगे सर? एक साल हम लोग ऐसे ही डिग्री ऑनलाइन, क्या फायदा? क्यों सर? आप किस चीज के डीन है?
and it will be 0 minus 1 plus J4 minus 2 plus J8 and 3 minus J20. So this will be step number 2. Now step number 3. All so because all the buses are PQ buses, so we have to calculate voltages V2, V3 and V4. So V21 will be 1 upon Y22 P2 minus JQ2 divided by V2 star minus Y21 V10 minus Y23 V30 minus Y24 V40. Y31 will be 1 upon Y33 P3 minus JQ3 divided by V30 star minus Y31 V11 V10 minus Y32 V21 minus Y34 V40, and V41 will be 1 upon Y44 P4 minus JQ4 divided by V40 star minus Y42 V21 minus Y43 V31. For this, we have P2 equal to minus 0.5. Q2 will be plus J2 so V21 will be 1 upon 3.66 minus J14.66 minus 0.5 plus J0.2 divided by 1 minus J0 minus 1.06 minus 2 plus J8 minus 1 minus 0.66 plus J2.66 plus minus 1 minus 1 plus J4. So when we solve it, we get it at 1.01 minus J0.02 volt. Similarly, V31 will be 1 upon 3.66 minus J14.66 minus 0.4 plus J0.3 divided by 1 minus J0 minus 1.06 minus 1 plus J4 minus 1.01 minus J0.02 into minus 0.66 minus J2.66 minus 1 minus 2 plus J8. And similarly, V41 will be 1 upon 3 minus J12 minus 0.3 plus J0.1 divided by 1 minus J0 minus 1 plus J4 into 1.01 minus J0.02 minus 2 plus J8 minus 0.99 minus J0.02. So this is your first iteration. Then we have to again go for V22, V32, and V42. So it will be 1 upon Y22 P2 minus JQ2 divided by V21 star minus Y21 V10 minus Y23 V31 minus Y24 V41 1 upon Y33 P3 minus JQ3 divided by V31 star minus Y31 V10 minus Y32 V21 minus V22 minus Y34 V41 1 upon Y44 P4 minus JQ4 divided by V41 star minus Y42 V22 minus Y43 V32. And similarly, this equation will continue till the changes, all the changes within that limit. So this is Gauss method. And to fast the calculation, we use acceleration factor अल्फा. तो जो हमने अभी तक हम V21, V31, V41 कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे और उसी को रख रहे थे. We will, instead of V21 use, we will use V21 accelerated. That will be V20 plus alpha V21 minus V20. So instead of using V21, we will be using V2 accelerated. In this, we have added the factor through which we have modified our speed of calculation. It will increase the speed of calculation and answer will be reached fast. So this is how we will be doing Gauss-Seidel method. As shared a screen which have algorithm and flowchart for the Gauss-Seidel method. So if you can see that, first is read in system data and formulate nodal admittance matrix. This will be your step number 1. जो क्वेश्चन का डेटा है, सिस्टम का डेटा है, we have feed that data and then we have calculated the nodal admittance matrix from that. Then we assume the bus voltages for all the buses except slack bus. And then we will start iteration method. So k equal to 0. Now we compute AP for all the buses and B PQ for all the buses. Now we have set the convergence criteria. Set bus count P equal to 1. If slack bus, then we have to directly go to the last step. We will reach to advanced bus count by P plus 1. Else, we will be checking if it is a generator bus. That means it is a PV bus. Then again we have to directly reach to this point. So first, because we have discussed only the bus case where all the buses except slack bus, we have considered it as a PQ buses. So it will be read system data, assume bus voltages, set iteration count k equal to 0, set convergence criteria delta max, then set bus count equal to 1, test for slack bus. If slack bus, we will reach to last, advance the bus count by 1, else we will be calculating and finding voltage. So Vp k plus 1, so it will be 1 upon this minus this, and now we will calculate the change. If all the buses are considered, then we will reach to next step, else we will go and continue till all the buses, and then we will determine the largest absolute value of change. If Vmax is less than epsilon, then your answer is reached, else we will continue and go for net iteration. So this is a flow chart of Gauss method. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास आज इतना ही करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल बी स्टडी हाउ वी विल बी अप्लाइंग Gauss-Seidel method if we have PV bus also.